Hi, this is a flip through for a design team project for Mad Paper Crush for August. Trying to get it in July because I wanted to do a Christmas project for July. Mainly I used these two kits from Mad Paper Crush, the Santa's Ledger and Kringle Crew number 3. She has Kringle Crew 1 and 2, and I may have used some of those also. And I want to use the one from this kit also in an upcoming project. But this is just a little swap that I was sending in a Facebook group to someone. This is one of the cards from, I think, the Santa's Ledger. And it's just a simple little book. I've made a file folder here. It has a lace little slide pocket. I think I had this from another cutout. And this just has a little piece of paper here, a journaling spot. I think that's a Tim Holtz thing, and I just kind of held all of this on. This is from Mad Paper Crush. That's Tim Holtz there. I wanted to do some of my stamps and some embossing, so this is like a I hope that's picking up. It's a kind of copper colored embossing, and I just kind of put the file. This design is from Pinkstrawberryz, I think it is, on YouTube. I'll put the link below. Just a little die cut I had here. This is a little pocket. Hopefully I'm not blocking it. I'll just put a little tag there, but when you flip it over, I put two cute little tags. This is Mad Paper Crush. Two cute little tags here. You can use on presents or journaling. This is a die cut I have and some stickers. So this is the Tim Holtz die cut with the little pockets, and I've just loaded it up. That's a stamp. Let's see, stamp. This is Mad Paper Crush, one of those kits. I love this one. I want to do a pink little journal. This is Mad Paper Crush, and I just put this North Pole stamp on it. Another one from the kit. Oops. Realized I was blocking it. Sorry about that. And just a extra journaling paper. Let me put it down. Did this big tag. This is from Red Lead Papers. Just something I purchased years ago. And some lace. And so it has a pocket at the top. So I have a little file folder here. Tuck spot here, a top pocket here. This is really cute. Little envelope that just opens a different way. And she has this on her website, Strawberry Pink. Or Pink Strawberry, sorry. So this is from Mad Paper Crush. And I left it open so I could just do a little, oops, tuck spot there. Just a little card I had. This is from Mad Paper Crush. Aren't those cute, the little elves? A little tuck spot here, Mad Paper Crush. One of my die cuts. I made this little pocket, put vellum behind it, and just a little sleigh tag, Santa tag. And this is from Mad Paper Crush. And I could, I'll probably put some ribbon in here, and I could have left this open for a pocket or the top on the pocket. Just a simple little project. Thanks for watching. I'll put all the links below.